Huawei launched its new camera-centric phone under Nova series in China called Huawei Nova 16 Ultra with a unique rear camera module. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 16 Ultra features a tall 6.84-inch 1.5K resolution LTPO OLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by Kunlun glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 9010S chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Nova 16 Ultra sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 200-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 118-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the pill-shaped hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.0 aperture, along with the red maple color sensor. Both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 100 watts wired fast charging support and 50 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Harmony OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. And it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163 by 78 by 7.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 220 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 16 Ultra has been priced in China for 256 GB storage variant at 4,699 Chinese yuan, while the 512 GB storage model is priced at 5,199 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 1 TB storage option is priced at 5,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in clear blue, sky white, and starry night black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 16 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.